I'm Jared Van Campen, Hanover, Oregon. I enjoy basketball. I like playing on the game, on and off the court. I enjoy the feeling. Like playing with the team, getting work done.